Oh yeah, it's been a while. 75 degrees in the shade. 65 in here. You can hear the air conditioning going. That's why I'm hiding in here. The heat's just too much. Remember this? 1986 2.6 liter Mitsubishi 4-cylinder. Naturally aspirated. Been spending the spring collecting a hoard of parts. And with the exception of the carburetor rebuild kit and the spring compressing tool, which I'm waiting to see if it ever shows up if I, or end up I spend up this, try this again in English, or if I end up spending $250 for a complete kit that's in town. There, that's what I was trying to say. I've got just about everything I need. I'm basically ready to finish taking down this block, pop the oil pump, pop all the extra goodies off of it, clean the crap out of it. I want to make sure every oil port I can is cleaned because of flashlight on, thank you. What killed this engine originally, as far as I can tell, was the bearings let go. Like the bearings were scrap. The con rods, I think, were the ones that took the worst of it. However, as I mentioned last time I did this, the crankshaft and the camshaft are perfect. They are undersized. They've been turned down, or at least the crank's been turned down. Don't know about the cam. I didn't measure the cam, and it's fine. And the crankshaft, got the bearings. I did the math. I ordered the parts. Don't mind me. I'm bloody tired. So yeah, valve springs, main bearings, con rod bearings. This whole mess here is the balance shaft delete kit. So you pop open these two, you hang on to the oil pump obviously, but you get rid of these idlers. From what I gather, these engines they'll shake a little more, but you actually get quite a bit more power out of them. So this should be fun. I have not been in one of these engines, like I said the last couple of times. I haven't been in one of these in forever. So if it's going to be stinking hot like this is going to be where I'm going to sit and play and hide. Like I said, I've been spending all spring collecting all the parts and pieces. I'm waiting for one more tool. I'm also waiting for a carburetor kit, because this one has been soaking in a gas and oil combination here for a week and a half, 2 weeks now. But I cannot get those to move, and that's kind of worrisome. So it's going to go into a seafoam bath next. Let it soak, because I got lots of time. I'm relatively confident I can resurrect that thing eventually. And now that I have it here, I can, I've got the machine, the components. I can get the exact parts if I need any. Traded it, or tried to, with a fella, and he wound up not have what I had. Didn't work for him, but whatever. I paid him out and we're good that way. But yeah, these seem stuck. So it's going to go back into a bath. Then, so let's see what I'm going to do. That's last. Let's start at the beginning. Where do I want to start here? Start with the block. Start at the bottom, work my way up. Take these idlers off, clean up the engine ports. I don't want to pop the pistons out until I have the tool to put them back in. I do have a hone. But like I said, I don't have a ring compressing tool. But I can put the idler and whatnot. Like I've been going back and forth how I want to build this. The head project, that's easy enough. That's just sit down, lap the valves, put new springs and seals on it. There goes the head. Put the spring that back on. Away we go. But this block, I really want to wait till I have the last tool here before I take these pistons out, because I want them out and back in the same day. And then once the cylinders are honed, rings are in, pistons go in, bottom end can go back together. Of course, before I do that, I should have all this apart. So, yeah. Oh, and this little guy waiting for a fuel tank for this cute little thing. So, Anyway, yeah, I'm dying of heat, as you can tell by my stammering and stuttering. It's just too damn hot for me. So I've got most of my goodies together. I'm debating if I'm going to wait for that tool or just say to hell with it and buy a $250 kit, because, yeah, it's a little steep. Everything else is here. The only thing that's not in the shop right now is the intake manifold and valve cover, and those related parts. They're still in the van. And yeah, should be fun.